minimal elegance and how to achieve it. So, what are the main components for minimal elegance for a modern lady? This video by no means is going to be unpractical, telling you to wear heels all the time, because if you're like me and you want to always look elegant and you want to build a classic closet that is reflecting that elegance all the time, you don't have the ability to commute into the trains and trams wearing high heels or wearing bags that are mini and beautiful looking from Chanel, but they're not good using wise when you're going to work or you're going to your everyday errands. And for me, price per wear is something I really focus on, and I like to really manifest in my closet so that I always look my best, always look good, and always look elegant. This video is humbly thanking Vivia because they are sponsoring it. Vivia shoes have been my absolute favorite brand. They turn plastic bottles into shoes that are flexible, comfortable, and malleable. You can wash them, you can bend them, and take them with you to traveling. And they are not only this, but also even the packaging comes from cardboard. It's absolutely environmentally friendly and sustainable. And with a person like me who used to be a ballerina and her feet is kind of deformed, I have also flat feet, very wide feet. Most shoes are not comfortable for me. Their shoes are absolutely comfortable. And they now made more and more designs for their shoes to cater to most styles. And I'm going to share with you 3 basic shoes that you can buy from them right now to have them in your building and closet essentials for minimal elegance. So let's get started. The very first thing is outerwear. Outerwear is something that is shown on you all the time, especially if you live somewhere where the climate is a little bit on the colder side. For me in Germany, it's either raining or it's pretty cold. So the coat or the jacket is an essential piece. And there are many styles, but for me, the style that really screams elegance is the wrapped jacket style. My wrapped coat is from Ted Baker, and it's a coat I love so much. They come in various colors, and I would definitely recommend you follow the skin tone color theory seasons video that I have shared with you before to know your skin tone and to know exactly which shade of beige or nude or camel you would fit most. Depends on your season, but this is an absolute favorite of mine. A wrap coat is something that is going to be an outerwear. Investing in this is going to always take you into matters of elegance quickly. A good old blazer, and definitely if you cannot afford the Bauman blazer, totally I understand. Mine is somehow a Bauman dupe. It's very new. You can find it now on Zara. I just bought it. I bought the black and I bought the navy. This is how much I'm obsessed. But a good blazer can take an outfit from casual to class in a minute. You just put this on white shirt and jeans and you look gorgeous. You put this on all white, all black, you look amazing. You pair it with a skirt, you look formal instantly. Having these is such a great investment, and I think having a good blazer that fits you well, you get it tailored, is going to take you and elevate you to the next level. I even bought these in a set. I bought them with their shorts. As you can see, such an amazing thing I got from Zara, and a classic piece that you can have and wear practically to work and to university and look elegant when you have a presentation. Even you can wear it casually. Just get used to the habit of wearing blazers to bling up your look and make it look clean and sharp, and that's all what you need. A good looking cardigan. This is also a new one. I lost more weight, that's why I needed to buy new ones. New clothes, I mean. So this is a new one. It's from Ralph Lauren. I definitely recommend you buy one that is wool or cashmere or viscose. Depends on your weather. If you live in a climate that is very cold, then wool or cashmere would make sense. If you live somewhere where it's a little bit more summer-like, then probably viscose or linen or cotton even may be a better choice. Mine is 100% wool. I even have another one that is 100% cashmere. Get it in a neutral color. It's really good to layer in the winter. It's such a minimal piece, but if you invest in a good quality one, my polo one was on sale here on Zalando, and the mango one I have is very cheap, but it's 100% cashmere, so a good material there will definitely help. When it comes to shoes, Vivia here, they sponsored this video and I bought from them 3 basic shoes. One of them I wear every day, everywhere. It's these ankle boots, you guys. They are amazing. I wear them every day, super comfortable. This completely is made out of a material that is elastic, so easy to clean, very comfortable. It's way more elegant than going around every day with your sneakers, which is something I used to do and I used to be guilty of because my feet would hurt commuting. But this is super comfortable, super classy and elegant, and it will elevate any look. The next pair of shoes is a good ballerina that is pointy. Pointy shoes are epitome of elegance, and ballerinas, for me, they're not super comfortable. They always gave me blisters. But the ones from Vivia, they never did. I have 2 colors. This is the Aria 2, which does not have the back strap that they had, which I prefer actually more than the Aria 1. This is the first model, the Aria 1, and it has this white strap at the back. And this is the Aria 2, no strap from the back. Both of them are super elegantly the same design. But with this alteration, it makes this one more comfortable because this strap, like if you get bad blisters at the back of your feet, you might run into this. But they're absolutely stylish, and in spring, those are my everyday shoes. Shoe style that I always recommend people to have is a dress-up shoe. A shoe that you can wear to look a little bit more formal. And I think this is debatable. Some people would wear plain shoes and look nice with them, but I always recommend you have something that is popping, that is a little bit stylish. So if you would wear completely black on black, this would be the source of attraction. These ones from Vivia, they are so much like the Chanel. They even have the tweed style on them. And this tweed style takes it to the next level. These shoes worn on all black would look amazing. With jeans and white shirt would look amazing. They're very much autumn also inspired. So if you want to wear ballerinas in autumn or winter, this would give a tweed look and would definitely make you look minimally elegant in no time. A sleek, elegant, discreet tote bag. Okay, elegant ladies somehow shy from wearing big brand logos, and I definitely agree with that, because sometimes you don't want to commute in the train wearing a Chanel bag, which is super understandable from my side. So when it comes to a daily bag, you want something that is hard working. I had the EP Leather Neverfull, which I loved, but I would recommend my new obsession, which is the Longchamp Neo design, which is super plain and super minimal. As you can see, this bag is everything for me. I wear this every day. I take it with me shopping. It's been through hell, but it always stays looking neat and clean. And that's why I'd always rely on Longchamp tote bags as my go-to. And the Neo one is not super in your face because it's all black and black. The black one is amazing. I have the one in large, but if you don't carry a lot of things on the daily, then the small one or the medium would be good. The large just fits me fine because I carry my laptop with me, and this just fits my lifestyle. The second bag I always recommend is a nice small bag that could be worn for a formal event and could be worn for something casual. My choice would be a little bit pricey here, but it is my Chanel wallet on chain. I've got this secondhand, and let me tell you, since the day I got this, I've been wearing it like crazy, you guys. It's so versatile. You can wear it in the night, you can wear it in the morning. I sometimes take this when I just want to go grab some coffee and come back home. Sometimes I wear it if I'm traveling as a bag aside from my cabin bag. I would take this in the night if I'm wearing a nice dress. On my birthday, I wore this. It's such a versatile bag. So if you want to ask me the two absolute bags I would always have, these two would be like a tote bag and a nice small bag. This would fit totally inside my big bag. So that's why it is the, I think, best bag that I would recommend you invest in. It's the wallet on chain. Mine is lambskin, which a lot of people shy away from, but maybe because I got it secondhand, I'm more ham on it. But as you can see, the lambskin is just beautiful and shiny and adorable. On the daily, one of these shoes would be what I wear, depends on the season, and I pair it with my bag. Now, currently, because we're in winter, I'm always wearing these boots with this bag. They go together. I always recommend, if you're an elegant lady, you would be pairing your shoes and bags in color together, which is, I think, something that is super easy. As you can see, when I'm organizing my shoes at the back here, I'm organizing them by color. So all the nudes together, all the blacks together, the ones that are mixed black and something together. This helps me pair it with the bags. I need actually to add a nude bag into my collection, but in general, so far, I am in love with this. When you pair shoes and bags, it becomes super easy because they're like one entity. With an outfit, you say, okay, I'll wear the black, I'll wear the nude, I would wear the brown. You have an idea right away which thing to wear. The next thing, dress up pants. Dress up pants are amazing. And actually, if you get the right fit for your body shape, if you haven't watched the body shape video that I made before, go watch it. But if you get a right fit of dress up pants, you will be amazed. Wear them more than the jeans. They're super comfortable. Some of them even come with the elastic band. With the higher quality ones, you definitely can. But for me, because I'm changing my weight and size very frequently, I don't want to invest in something when it comes to pants in specific. But these ones are from Zara. I have them in the nude color, which is cream color, which is amazing. Wear these with black pullover, with a white turtleneck, anything, it will suit it. They also come in black. I have three. So I have this beige one, I have a navy one, and I have the black one with elastic from Zara. And I think I have a red one in my red suit, which is also very, very nice and popping. Sometimes I feel daring and I want to wear something like a pop of color because I'm always wearing neutrals. A good layering jacket. A good layering jacket is one of these. I like those so much. Uniqlo sells them, and they were the first place I actually got them from. Sometimes when you're wearing elegant clothes, you're gonna get cold, especially if it's a cold weather. And for me, I resort right away to these. I layer these under my jackets. They look super elegant. I get the sleeveless one. I've had the one with sleeve, but bulks up a lot under the jacket, and I don't find it making a big difference when it comes to me being cold. So having a vest like this underneath your coats and underneath your jackets as a second layer is such a beautiful thing. It also looks very elegant. A classic good looking scarf. I have talked about this also before. Mine is from Burberry. I love it and I wear it all the time, and I actually got it secondhand and it was ruined and I had to fix it, but trust me, I just cannot live without this. It's my absolute favorite. It's super classic, super classy. Whenever I wear it on anything, it elevates it. It comes in various colors, so also based on your skin tone. The gray one is also as good and it's a neutral. I have a lot of friends who have the pink one, which also looks super nice. But such a scarf with a good coat, with this vest underneath, with the shoes I showed you and the tote bag, this could be your daily uniform when you have no idea what to wear, and you will always look super sleek and sophisticated. If you have a good base of quality items like neutrals in shoes, neutrals in bags, neutrals in coats and pullovers and pants, and you build on it, that would be the best choice. For me, I am doing a lot of shopping again and again and analyze a lot because, as I said, I'm losing weight. So I'm always have to buy things that would fit me better. But yeah, I hope this video was beneficial for you. Let me know in the comment section down below which of these items you already have, which are you planning to have. Subscribe for more videos and turn on the bell notifications so you are notified whenever I upload something. Like this video if you liked it, thumbs it down if you did not. That let me know what types of videos you like to see from me next, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice happy life, boos. Bye.